गंगू चांद थी और चांदी रही।
हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल आफ्टर अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम। बहुत दिनों के बाद हम लोगों ने कुछ एक्साइटिंग किया है। देयर इज दिस फिल्म फेस्टिवल कॉल्ड बर्लिनाले जो हर साल फरवरी में बर्लिन में होता है। सो इस बार जस्ट अ फ्यू डेज अगो यहाँ पे आई हुई थी आलिया भट्ट एंड संजय लीला बंसाली फॉर द प्रमोशन एंड द प्रीमियर ऑफ देयर ब्रांड न्यू मूवी गंगूबाई काठियावाड़ी। वी गॉट अ चांस टू गो फॉर दैट एंटायर एक्सपीरियंस और इस वीडियो में हम लोग वो पूरा एक्सपीरियंस आपके साथ शेयर करने वाले हैं। सो enjoy.
मेरे को दूर रहने बोला है कोविड की वजह से, सो आई जस्ट वांट टू कम से हेलो। Okay, everybody do the ulta namaste. Come on. सब लोग पीछे चलो।
आलिया one dialogue.
कौन सा डायलॉग?
कोई भी
गंगू चांद थी और चांदी रही। Hello, how are you feeling for experience?
Awesome.
Oh, sorry. You get it?
That's our post for Gangubai.
Yeah.
Good evening to all of you. It's a great honor, I think, to premiere the film tonight here at the Berlin Film Festival. And thank you, Carla, for... She was a messiah for them. For me, she was a rock star. Because she was colorful, flamboyant, courageous, fearless. It's a story that inspired me, and I think she raised questions which were relevant then about the injustice done to women. She raised questions which were relevant, which are going to be relevant today and in the future generations to come. And her story is bound to inspire, because that's why I got down to make the film, because I've lived with Gangubai. There was no character in my life of the films that I've made that was as close as Gangubai to me. I've in my mind stayed with her for 3 to 4 years, talking to her, chatting with her, laughing with her, singing with her, dancing with her. I eventually understood her anger, her angst, her suffering, and I eventually also started breathing life into her over 3 years. And we have lived this character so much that finally we have to realize that tonight we let her go. We have lived with her as a friend in our lives, but tonight I think she'll be seen by the whole world. I believe in rebirth. Gangubai passed away in the mid-70s. But tonight I think she's going to be born in a few minutes on celluloid. In the full moon night in Aliabad. And of course, vocalist Sanjay Leela Bhansali. You can go ahead. Just say a few words.
Moment, it's extremely overwhelming when your film is handed over to the audience. This is the first time we're viewing our film, our labor of love of 3 years with an audience. So thank you so much for being here tonight. And yeah, there's nothing to say. I hope you enjoyed the film and okay. And yeah, from now on it belongs to the audience. So fingers crossed. I hope you treat it with all the love and care that we treated it with 3 years. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the film team of Gangubai Kathiawadi. Your applause. Welcome you.
सो दैट्स इट, ये था हमारा फुल एक्सपीरियंस। और अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल। अब 2022 में ऐसा लग रहा है कि कोरोना शायद थोड़ा सा कम हो जाएगा तो हम लोग वापस ट्रैवल कर पाएंगे। सो होपफुली वील बी एबल टू शेयर सम मोर वीडियोस विथ यू। तब तक के लिए फ्रॉम बर्लिन, बाय बाय एंड स्टे सेफ।